So I finished my sled and I've added a few more features and I'll show you what they do. So the first thing I did was make this, and it goes on here, and it's for making miter cuts. It has a dowel and it fits in this hole. And this one locks in. So there's a perfect miter cut. So we'll put that aside and I'll show you the other part. This is a little fence, and it fits in the slots here, and it can be adjusted, and you can stop it at any point by turning this. So to lock the fence, you turn this. This block has a threaded rod and it goes down. And instead of ruining the surface of the fence, it clamps on this dowel and locks it. So I'll tighten it and it's locked, and the fence will not move now. So the next part to the sled is my clamping system for small pieces. So I've made these little blocks. So this is my clamping system for small pieces. cut perfect miters. I can cut small parts. I got the safety feature and a fence, and then an additional clamping system. So very simple to make. I hope you all can make one, and I hope you enjoyed this. Easy to take apart, easy to put together, and it was a lot of fun to make.